Hello, dear students. Welcome back to another video. Today, we will look into the skills of scientific investigation. The topic which we are looking into today, it is the ways of scientific method. Now, this is a very important topic for grade 10. Now, let us understand why are we focusing on the scientific method? Because this is a process in which different researchers and different scientists investigate, verify, inquire the problem to a certain question. Okay, so what do? They basically take up a certain problem, they will create its objective, they will find out the answer to that problem using different methods. Now, the method will vary depending on the problem that they are taking. Okay, now the aim of these kind of method is particularly to analyze, investigate, make proper observations, and let us know what kind of methods are required to satisfy the solution of the problem. So let us see what are the different ways of handling such scientific method. First is to make an observation. First, I can make an observation. Now, depending on that observation, I can ask a question. Why is it happening? What is the problem behind it? Can it be solved? Then we have to form a hypothesis or a testable explanation. Now, what is hypothesis? So, hypothesis is basically a very tentative answer to the problem that you are facing. Okay. Now, depending on the hypothesis, we can proceed forward actually. So, hypothesis or getting an hypothesis is very important. After that, we can make a prediction based on the hypothesis that we are getting. Okay. Now, after making the prediction, we can test the prediction. Okay. Now we can make certain changes of the prediction by seeing the result, what it is coming. So it's purely the observation. Okay. Now, using that result, we can do the final conclusion or we can claim new hypothesis. Okay. So let us understand this. In order to understand this, let us see one simple problem. Okay. So we have a toaster. So I made an observation that the toaster is not working. So the toaster won't toast. So what is the question? Why won't the toaster toast? Okay, that is my question. That is my problem. Hypothesis. Maybe the outlet is broken. Now, this is a tentative answer to the problem that I'm facing. So, this hypothesis will vary as per the given problem. Now, based on the hypothesis, I made a prediction that, okay, if I plug the tester into a different outlet, maybe then the toaster will work. Now, depending on the prediction, I need to test the prediction, whether my prediction is correct or not. So, my final step will be the testing the prediction. So, I will plug the toaster into a different outlet and I'm going to try again whether my prediction is correct or not. So, basically, what did I get? My bread toasts. That means my hypothesis is supported. That means that was the problem. I identified it. But my bread still won't toast. So that means the hypothesis which I claimed is basically not supported in this case. So what is my iteration time? Iteration time means the final step or the conclusion that I'm getting here. That is the sixth step. So now if my hypothesis is supported, I can say that what is the actual problem with that outlet? Because I predicted that the outlet is not working. So that means there is some problem with the outlet. So now I have to see what is the actual problem with the outlet. But if my hypothesis is not supported, then I can think that, okay, maybe there is a broken wire in the toaster. So it's nothing to do with the outlet. It's basically present inside the toaster. So this is a very simple problem of a toaster, which I hope you can relate. Okay. And these kind of lot of questions can be available. Okay. We can make different kind of predictions using the scientific method. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. Okay. So thank you.